Our queen does not defecate. What is more, our queen has never defecated and would never even think of doing such a thing.
Don't you shit! Shit, you stupid men.
You ever see my queen shitting in Buckingham Palace toilet with your own eye?
Of course not. But she is human too. She must shit.
But you never see her do it.
Ass.
Oh. Sticks and stones will break my bones, but birds will never hurt me.
Hey.
He sings as the Queen of England doesn't shit. That's how stupid he is.
What's that?
He says the Queen doesn't shit.
Well, you see, Miss
Schmidt.
Miss Schmidt, the concept of our sovereign is so important to our way of thinking that the man in the street has a tendency to elevate the person who sits on the throne to a position of far greater...
You saying the Queen doesn't shit too?
Oh, no, not at all, not at all. No, I'm just trying to establish background. You see, what Aloysius no doubt meant to say was that it is difficult...
Does the Queen of England shit or doesn't she?
No, she does not.
Inga, don't make such a fuss about it with Busha. Is not Busha argument this?
What? The Queen doesn't shit? You encourage his ignorance when you say that!
I will thank you not to scream at me. This is a free country, not your Nazi Germany. We are all entitled to our opinions here. And I, for one, am with Aloysius. Our queen does not defecate. What is more, our queen has never defecated and would never even think of doing such a thing.
Don't you shit!
Certainly not.